So, let me guess how you found cryptocurrencies. Your friends have bought some. You even heard a few people became millionaires overnight. And now they're telling you that you have to get in now because the coin they hold is going to $1,000 soon and they hold 400 of them. Sound familiar? Well, don't worry. Grab yourself a pen, grab a good sized notepad, and why not grab a cup of coffee? Because over the next 5 chapters, starting from this very video and the following lessons, you're going to be receiving a lot of information that you will definitely want to be noting down along the way. Enough to fill the notepad you're holding, in fact. I've made this even easier to achieve. Notice the little camera icon in the corner? Well, every time you see that, I want you to pause the video and note down everything you see. Whether you understand it or not, this will benefit you moving forward. So now you're all set, I think it's time you know exactly what a cryptocurrency is, what its uses are, and why you would want to own some. And to do that, we have to dissect it into its simplest form. So let's take the word cryptocurrency and split that into 2 pieces. We start with crypto, meaning concealed, secret, or hidden. The term is usually placed before a word to refer to something or someone with hidden principles. Then we have currency, usually a form of money, acceptance, or commodity. Merging these 2 words back together, cryptocurrencies are an anonymous form of digital asset class, generally accepted as a form of currency, payment, or means of value, usually secretive in its method of delivery, or at least concealed to some extent. Some other essential facts to know are: a cryptocurrency cannot be counterfeited due to the use of cryptography for security. There is a limited quantity of each crypto out there, meaning the entire quantity has already been created through a process called mining, or they will eventually reach the final amount created at a predetermined time in the future, meaning technically every time a new coin is created, the supply decreases and the demand increases as we reach closer to no coins being left to generate. Finally, there is no debt with cryptocurrencies. It is the same as owning physical gold. The crypto you own is real and the actual thing, unlike the numbers in your bank account, which are created without the actual asset needing to back it up. But before that, what many do not know is that cryptocurrencies have been in existence since around 2008, when the present day's market leader was invented. You guessed it, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first virtual currency of its kind, formed from the many failed attempts at a centralized digital coin. Its creator Satoshi, who to this day remains anonymous, found that by handling all transactions sent between peers on a network called the blockchain, verified by miners which we stated earlier, a decentralized network is formed from this, meaning no third party such as a bank or government can interfere. So cryptocurrencies have one real purpose, and that's to remain a method of payment which we as the people control and confirm, without the banks and governments interfering on our daily transactions. Keep this in mind, as it will help with breaking down the blockchain in the next lesson.